14. Lesser goldfinch male. Lesser goldfinch perched on a branch. Lesser goldfinches, Spinus saltria, are tiny and quick birds growing more than 3.5, 4.7 inches in length and 0.42 ounces in weight. 13. Verdin songbird in natural desert cacti environment. Verdins, Oriparus flaviceps, grow up to 4.5 inches in length and have tiny bodies with medium-sized tails. 12. Brown Gerygone brown. Gerygone bird endemic to Australia. Brown gerygones, Gerygone mookie, are tiny pale birds found in different regions across the Australian continent. 11. Spotted Pardalote. Spotted Pardalote bird, Australia. Spotted pardalotes, Pardalotus punctatus, are tiny birds and grow only up to 3.1 to 4 inches. It is one of the most colourful birds in Australia, which is why it is also known as the diamond bird. 10. Calliope hummingbird, the smallest birds in the United States and Canada. Calliope hummingbird close-up. North America's smallest bird is the Calliope hummingbird. The Calliope hummingbird, Selasphorus calliope, is the smallest bird in North America. 9. Goldcrest, the smallest birds in Britain. Goldcrest bird sitting on the branch in cold winter snowy time. 8. Costa's hummingbird male. Costa's hummingbird, another member of the hummingbird family. 7. Weebill, the smallest birds in Australia. Australia's smallest bird, the weebills, Smacrornis brevirostris, are the smallest birds in Australia and grow only up to 3.5 inches long. These birds are found across mainland Australia, primarily in dry eucalyptus forests and mal. 6. Common Firecrest. Firecrest, Regulus ignicapilla, is a small forest bird. 5. Pale-billed flowerpecker. Pale-billed flowerpecker, pale-billed flowerpeckers, Dicaeum erythrorhynchos, are known to be the smallest birds spotted in South Asian countries. 4. Cape Penduline tit, the smallest birds in Africa. Cape Penduline tit bird, perched against a blue sky Cape Penduline tits, Anthoscopus minutus, are one of the smallest bird species native to Africa. 3. Bumblebee hummingbird. Bumblebee hummingbird, perching on flower bumblebee hummingbird. Photo by Ron Knight. CC by 2.2. Esmeraldas Woodstar, the smallest birds in South America. Esmeraldas Woodstar. Photo by Bert Harris. CC by SA 3.0. One of the rare animals is this neotropical species of birds from the hummingbird family, the Esmeralda woodstars, Chaetocercus berlepschi, grow only up to 2.5 inches long and weigh almost 0.8 ounces. One. Bee hummingbird, the smallest birds in the world. The smallest bird in the world, bee hummingbird, drinks nectar from a plant held by a person. The bee hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world. Bee hummingbirds, Melisuga heleni, are the smallest birds in the world and measure only 2.25 inches long. Weighing only 0.07 ounces, these little birds are the tiniest species of hummingbird. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon